My name's Douglas Young. I'm the current principal of Lubbock High School. This may be hard. Been here doing this for, this is my 16th year. And I had the pleasure of knowing both of these gentlemen.
So today we pause to remember and memorialize Patrick Cates and Doyle Vogler, past principals of Lubbock High School. Patrick was the 11th principal here at Lubbock High School from 1996 to 2000. And Doyle, as you know, was the principal here from 2000 to 2009 until I replaced him.
They both served Lubbock ISD and Lubbock High faithful for many, many years.
The memorial benches came about kind of as a brainchild of Deb Cates, Patrick's wife.
I wanted to do something for Lubbock High because it meant so much to us and we spent so much time here.
She said, I have a lot of people reaching out on Facebook asking what they can do. And so we came up with this idea to collect some money, and we have this area here that we have engraved bricks for people. And I said, how about if we put some benches out there with some plaques on it? She thought the idea was wonderful. We communicated back and forth via email. I sent her screenshots. She approved everything, but she basically collected the money, and she said, hey, we've got enough money. Let's do one for Doyle too. All you guys work together. Let's do 2 benches. So we had enough money to do 2 benches.
But it is truly an honor to dedicate these 2 memorial benches in honor of 2 excellent, great educators, Mr. Patrick Cates and Mr. Doyle Vogler.
Patrick hired Doyle as a tennis coach and math teacher. And there's a funny story behind it, but I can't replicate it. And they became fast friends. And they were about almost 10 years apart. And so Doyle, they just became best buddies and kept in touch. After we left Lubbock in 2000, Doyle always kept in touch with us.
And then I had an Eagle Scout that was looking for a project. I went, I've got just the project for you. And so that's how it all came together. There was even enough money left over to begin some scholarship, to add to Doyle Vogler's Memorial Scholarship Fund and to some seed money to start a scholarship fund for Patrick Cates. That's how much these 2 men were loved and respected.
Going to a needy or a deserving drama student or English student, I thought that would be perfect. And I think Patrick would love it.
Patrick became the principal at Lubbock High School as I started into administration, so he was somewhat of a mentor to me. We actually attended church together, and so always bouncing ideas off of him. So he became quite the mentor for me as a new administrator. Doyle and I entered administration at the same time. In fact, he was always a little bit bitter that I finished my exit test, my certification test, quicker than he did, but he was way smarter than me. But we entered into administration at the same time. He became the assistant principal here at Lubbock High School. I became the assistant principal at McKenzie. We had that relationship being rookie administrators and kind of leaned on each other through that whole time. And then he approached me about coming over here as the associate principal and changed my life. I can't thank Doyle enough.
Lubbock High is the most special place ever. You know, my son graduated here and practically grew up in the halls here, and it's just a special, special place.
To donate to the Patrick Cates or Doyle Vogler Memorial Scholarship, log on to the Lubbock ISD website, lubbockisd.org/FFE.
Love those guys.